Hey, S7 crew. Seadog here, but today it's not going to be about what I'm doing. I want to showcase my nephew. He would be the fourth or fifth generation mechanic. He's great. He started on two-stroke engines, quads, dirt bikes, weed eaters, things like that. But yeah, right now he's working on his F150, swapping out the carburetors. But yeah, I just want to show a little bit about him.
Hands all dirty, busting knuckles on this old machine. Wrenches and sockets, it's a dirty dirge unseen. Oil-stained jeans that tell the tale of my day. Pull apart motors, find the path, find the way. Sunday morning, sun breaks into the greasy zone. Rock radio, whisper stories of mechanics moan. Ratchet's music, that click-clack beat I adore. Keep on tapping pedals on this concrete floor. Cause it's rich and grease and dreams in the air. Rusty hair.
He is part of the S7 crew. That is the F150 that I originally purchased, and we took off the EFI, put on the carburetor. They've been doing some other tweaks and everything else to it. We put a custom exhaust on there, new paint job. There's some videos on my channel for that. Yeah, primarily him and his dad have done most of it. My little brother, that's my nephew, they've done most of the work. We've pulled that engine 4 or 5 times at least, and they were supposed to take it on power tour last year. Ran into some issues, so they ended up taking my 50 Mustang out on power tour this year. I'm pretty sure they're planning on taking the F150. If not, they'll probably take the 88 Mustang. So if you're going on the power tour 2025, be on the lookout for that F150 and say hi to them. All right, take care, be blessed, stay tuned.
There are S7 protocols, okay?
Nah, 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 nah.